Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. And what you heard there was a very healthy and gorgeous 1970 GMC Sierra 1500 pickup truck. And believe me when I tell you, this thing is absolutely beautiful. A 98,000 actual mile truck. It has undergone a restoration that brought it back to its original natural beauty. That is a dark olive metallic paint. That is the original color of the car and beautifully redone. And that also is a olive interior as well. And wait till we get inside there. This is a particularly clean truck as well. Lots and lots of good stuff that follows this truck, such as the protective plate, the original owner's manual, the original bill of sale that was handwritten, the original registration that he got after the purchase. Unbelievable. Factory air truck. Surprising how much that they had to pay extra for that back then. And when I say surprising, I mean surprisingly little. Unbelievable. Factory chrome grille. Beautiful bright work front and back. And stainless. I mean, it's gorgeous. There's a very clean engine compartment. You see your AC compressor. This does have power steering, power brakes, and those are power front disc brakes as well. And I'm telling you, the one finger steering, you know how we like that. This has that in spades. I mean, you stick your finger in there and you can wheel that thing around in no time. Even easier back then than it was than it is today. Again, a super stunning truck. I'm telling you, that olive green just stands out like crazy, and I mean in a good way. The 350 under the hood is matched with the TH350 automatic transmission that's on the column. Underneath you'll find a 12-bolt open rear end, and it is clean as all get out underneath there. Please hang out at the end of the video. Check out the stills that I have of the undercarriage and the engine compartment, and also the interior. And unfortunately, this video does not do this interior justice. New carpet, beautiful bench seats. Dash looks like it just rolled off the factory floor. Clean, clear gauges. It does have an aftermarket JVC stereo. That's a CD player. The door panels, holy cow. I mean, in beautiful, beautiful condition. This one, truck lovers, you will not be disappointed. Lots and lots of paperwork to go with this. Lots and lots of originality, not only in the paperwork, but in the truck itself. It's one of those. Please go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com, and check out this 1970 GMC Sierra 1500. I'm going to put the hood down here for a little bit. Not all the way, excuse the noise. Just so you can really see this gorgeous paint. Again, cruisinclassicsinc.com is our site. Check out all the beautiful pictures and the detailed description that we have of this and all the others that we have in stock. Give us a call here if you have any questions, 614-276-7355. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.